What's up, traders? This is actually just a test, a transmission. So I just wanted to test how it goes. This is my first live, so I just want to see how it goes. So what are you trading at this point? Yeah, you should hear me now. Okay, net gas. Let's see net gas. Right. So let's check the net gas first. So right here, as you can see, as mentioned in my today's video, we did have a rejection with this 382 candle. Let's see if it's a 38 candle or not. Yeah, I'll check gold in a moment. Let's see net gas first. Right, so it is a valid 382 candle. As you can see, the body is above the 382 retracement, so that looks good to me. So we can expect a possible push up out of net gas. Looking at this nice 382 candle and rejection here, it can still push down and form another engulfer. But let's see, this is also one of my signal, a buy signal. We are still not bearish for net gas. Okay, let's check gold. Hi, Nikki. Yes, Rocky, I'm gonna check gold now. Right, we did have a nice push up out of gold. I was not expecting this push up because of the Fed, the increase of interest rate today, and I was expecting a fall. But as you can see, this is gold, and you can expect this move from gold. So it's still bullish now for me. Like gold is above all the EMAs and just recently broken this level of recent resistance that has now turned support. So let's see how strong this support area is. So right here, yeah, as you can see, we did have a nice fall out of this area. So this level looks good to me and did reacted in the past. We did have an overbought situation as well here on the gold. So we can get a possible retest of the recent zone again, which is right above. And if the price continues to push up, we can get another retest and a possible fall from this area. So still bullish for gold. I'm not selling gold at this point. Looking at this good big momentum candle, we can still get a retest. Right, we already get a retest, as you can see. With the spin bar, a little candle, just retested this 50% retracement. So that would be an aggressive entry, and it can likely push up now. Let's see what's next with oil. Euro Japanese yen. Yeah, I'm going to check your Japanese yen in a moment as well. So let's check crude oil first. Sorry. So yeah, here on Oanda, I see that I can see a bearish signal right here. This is a bearish signal for me on Oanda. Let's check on currency.com. You guys might have a data according to currency.com right here. Yeah. So here on currency.com, we have a retest of the recent level of support that is now turned resistance. So that is also a bearish signal here on currency.com, but we have a clear signal on here on Oanda. So looking at this bearish candle, ATR is coming up at 1.25. So from here we can expect a push down of $1.25. Hey Kenny, yeah, that's just a first live. I was just testing a live, as I've just mentioned in my last video, on my weekend video actually, that looking to go live because it's Ramadan. Starting from today's morning, I'm going to fast at sorry guys, I think that's a bad internet connection here. It's just cut off, like, I don't know, out of nowhere. Yeah, I was actually checking Euro Japanese yen. So let's see. I was actually telling you guys that it's Ramadan now, so that is why I have a plan to come online more often, like at this time, maybe in the afternoon. I was going to come in the afternoon, in the evening as well, but I was busy today doing some Ramadan shopping as well. But everything is done now. So from tomorrow, hopefully, after I upload my video, I might come online and we can do some trading together. So let's see. Euro Japanese yen here quickly. Right, Rocky. So ATR. Can you explain more about ATR? How? Right. So if you are trading on a trading view platform, all you need to do, click here on the indicator and search average true range. So you will have something like this. This is the ATR, right? Once you have ATR on your charts, it will normally on the bottom something like this. It will initially show on the bottom right here. So right here, this is the arrow. Just click on the arrow, pull it up on the top of your charts, and then what you need to do, just leave it as it is with the default settings. So that is how you can plot ATR on your charts. Right here, the length should be set to 14. So for Euro, Japanese yen is now bullish, broken above 50 and 20 EMA, and with that you can expect little pullback and a possible push up again, and I'm expecting a continuation here on Euro Japanese yen. So what else we are trading, guys? Let me know if you want me to do analysis on any other forex pair or commodity, or any maybe US stock market. We had a nice push up here on right here. If you see, if you are trading UK 100, my last analysis, the price was somewhere here, and with that, if you follow me, if you know how I trade, what do we have? What do you see? A nice bullish engulfing candle. Now you might have get panicked when the price got down to here, but that is why we always say that wait with patience. Sometime what price does, it pushed down, close back up, and then we have a bullish signal that happened at a nice area of value level of support. With that, that would be a nice take profit. Now if you are trading the stock, then we are getting a nice possible sell entry here on UK 100 as well. So if that candle closes like this, we have a possible fall from here. So copper, okay, let me check copper for you, Mr. Online Class. Okay, so we were below the level of resistance, and the price did pushed up, formed a double top, and if you would have entered here on the better price, that would be a take profit hit as well. Now if you know how to calculate your targets with the ATR, just hover over this candle on the top left of my chart. If you see the ATR is coming up as 43, just look at the first two numbers after zero, after decimal and zero. So you would have entered here. As you can see, price did push down 48 points, so that would be a take profit hit, a quick scalp out of copper. Now we did had another signal here within the resistance zone, and let's see if that would have taken you that would have hit your take profit or not. So with that, the ATR was 42, and if you would have entered a little bit above the price, let's say here, now that would be a stop loss hit. So that would be a winning trade and losing trade. Now the price did pushed up from this zone, and now if you follow me in priority group here on my YouTube channel, what do we have after break and close above 50 EMA? Let's say if stop loss is hit, bullish engulfer, and that pushed the market up massively, and that take profit would have been hit with this big wick, and now price has turned bullish, not taking any sort of sell trades at this point. So I want to see one more green candle close above this zone, and then we can use this zone as our trend continuation zone. US Tech 100, Ahmed, let me check that. And sorry, I can't pronounce your name. Let's check Nasdaq US Tech. Let's see that. Awesome. So nice swing high engulfer here on US Tech 100. That is a bearish, that is a bearish signal. Now if you want to enter in a less aggressive way, that is actually aggressive entry. If you want to enter here, that would be aggressive entry, and 102 points will be your take profit from here. Yeah, something like this. So when the entries happened at these zones, I sometimes keep my stop loss above and then go 1-to-1. But if you want to do a little scalp, that would be 102 points. That's a sell signal. And if you want to enter with a pullback, what you can do from swing high to swing low of this candle, or just right here. So with the pullback, you can enter here on the 50% retracement, and then you can have a better reward to risk ratio. If you want to enter this Nasdaq trade, looks bearish to me. I can also see a double top pattern here. Let's see that as well. Yeah, a valid double top pattern. Let's check on 1 hour time frame, not a valid on 1 hour time frame. So yeah, we'll keep a daily 4 hour time frame. That is not an engulfer. Let's see if it is. No, not an engulfing candle, but we do have a valid entry here on 4 hour. I'm expecting a push down from this US Tech 100. Yeah, sure. I'll check net gas 1 second. Thank you, buddy. Let's check natural gas. We got a lot of natural gas trader here. I know so many of you love to trade nat gas. Me too. I'll also like to trade nat gas because this is a commodity, that works really well technically, and the gold and other crude oil is, runs on fundamentals most of the time. How to use 3 to 3 to 8 in trading view. What's that? You mean 382 candle? You mean Talal? So here on that gas, I've just explained, I've just shown that we do have a valid 382 candle right here. If you plot your Fibonacci tool, a valid 382 candle, the candle is above the 382 retracement, so it is a valid candle and a bullish pressure, and we do have a nice double bottom pattern rejected from the zone, this rejection zone. Let me change the color to something else. How do we change it? Not this, not for Fibonacci tool, man. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, 382 candle. So that's what I explained just now. So from your trading view platform, you have a tool here, right here. It says Fib retracement. Click on it. Yeah, sorry guys, that's my internet connection, I guess. Yeah, Simon, is it working now? Can you see? The screen is not, yeah, it is moving now, yeah? Okay, Ahmed, yeah, so yeah, I was asking about the Fib tool. So this is how you can plot Fib tool. Just have these settings on your charts, or sorry, on your Fib tool. Once you plot a, okay, great, Talal, yeah, that's good. You got it. So yeah, let's check the other opportunities. So yeah, Netgas still looks bullish to me, not taking any sort of sell trades at this point unless and until the price is trading above this rejection box. What do we have here on silver? We had a nice push up out of silver, right? So yeah, that was a trade I took here on silver just to show you the way you can enter the trade. So as you can see, the price did broke above this level of recent resistance, right? That has now turned support. So all I was looking for a retest and a possible entry condition. And what do we have right here? A nice entry condition right at the level of support and area of value, nice engulfer, and that pushed market massively. So that is how you can enter your trade with the conditions, guys. So what are you trading, most of you guys? So I think so you like to trade commodities. I love to trade forex, and I love to trade like nat gas for commodity. Sometimes I trade gold. And let me know what is your favorite commodity to trade and what is your favorite pair to trade. Like I love to trade some of my favorite best pairs right here. These are the two pairs with the lowest, the tightest spread. So let's see if we have any conditions. By the way, I was going to send you the trade alert as well right here. Euro Japanese yen, and we had a massive fall just in 6 minutes, so that is why I couldn't send this entry. Nice bearish condition. If you see, the ATR is 55, and let's see, as you can see, the 92 pips was a take profit hit and missed this trade. Credit Sushi, not seen that, I've never traded that, so let's search that. Yeah, I've heard about this bank has been collapsed, so I don't look much of fundamentals. Basically, I just love to trade technicals. And if you see what happened with gold today, if you see the gold, the interest rate decision increased, and I was expecting a good fall out of gold because when they increase the interest rate decisions, the dollar gets strong, and if the dollar gets strong, the technically and fundamentally the price should fall, but they just push the market up. I don't know what happens here. That is why I like to trade technicals, because when you're trading technically, there are so many technical traders out there in the market. They have the zones set on their charts. These are the order block zones. When the price reaches these type of zones, everyone they thinks collective. That is how you trade technically. So once the price is in the zone, in the area of value, all the technical traders, they start buying, and that is how the market pushes up from these areas. So I know most of you love to trade news. I have a strategy. My favorite pair to trade for the news fundamentals is Australian dollars and New Zealand dollar. Right, Rocky, take care. I'll try to come online much earlier tomorrow. So yeah, this is just a test transmission for me. Just want to see how it goes. I have to install this streaming software and do lots of stuff in that before I come live. Lots of headache, but now I have everything set up, so hopefully I'll do more lives. So you take care, Rocky. See you tomorrow or next time. Yes, I'm yeah, lots of things happening out there in the market. So lots of jobs are, yeah, that's right, yeah. Inflation. By the way, we had a nice push up out of this zone I've mentioned in my this week's report. We had a nice pattern right here, and as you can see, a massive push up from this area. So if you have taken the trade here with this nice bullish engulfer or a double bottom pattern right here, then you have made good money with out of this pair. We had a nice trades out of net gas. By the way, let's talk about net gas first. So right here, we've been taking some good trades. We did have a nice similar condition like this. We had a similar condition here, and then price pushed up, formed a double bottom, exactly a pin bar like this. It's happening here. So the reason I don't keep my position. I don't hold my position for longer because as you can see, the price has now started another downtrend, making lows, and that is why that is only good to take a quick scalp and then market can fall. That is why there most of the traders send me a message that I'm still holding on with my position. That is what we don't need to do here. The way I hold my position, if a price is in a nice downtrend, let me show you a nice example of that. If you want to hold your position, so what I do, I look back and see if the price is falling from quite a while. As you can see, price is falling from quite a while, and then we had a nice entry condition. So in that case, that is a good way to manage your trade, because we are not taking a counter trade here. We are just taking a trend continuation. We are just riding on with the trend. And here with the bearish trend, that is a nice bearish condition. Bearish engulfer happened below 50 EMA. So all the rules here are met. And yes, Talal, yeah, that is what I'm talking about. The signals, the way we take. I have 6 rules for my pullback entry, and this is one of the pullback entry. And all 6 rules, I have 3 chapters for that, 3 to 5 chapters for that. So that is why I try to keep it simple for you guys for the priority trade alerts, so that you won't get confused. So the main basic rule is the price must be below 50 EMA. Let me take a glass of water. So price must be below 50 EMA. Once you see that price is trading below 50 EMA, we have a pullback. That is must. Once the price take a breather followed by a nice bearish candle, we have a swing high engulfer here, and in that case that close is my entry, right? And the target is $9. If you hover over this candle, look at the top left corner here, the ATR is coming up as 9. So initial the target would be 9 points, something like this. Let's do 10. So once you take profit, 1 is it. All you do, just move 9 points further down, add 1 ATR, do 10, and keep your stop loss. Bring your stop loss to break even. Take profit 2 is it, 1 ATR down, and then secure your profit, and then move your stop loss. Then again 1 ATR further down, and then secure your profit, and then move your stop loss to break even. Now this is how I manage my trade, only when the price is in a nice trend. In this example, we have a nice trend, and then when the price hit the zones like this in a trend, it just give you a little bounce. And I also take advantage of these type of bounces and enter a little scalp and then ride along with the trend again. That is what happened. Again, we had a nice push down, bearish engulfer, price push down. So this is how you manage your trade. And now at this point, the price has reached another level right here. So we took this trade, as you know, if you are my priority member, we took this trade and we had a nice take profit hit. Price did pushed up 7 points from here, and now coming back down and creating a possible double bottom. So from here, if you want to be extra cautious, keep your stop loss below this wick and take profit. You can go 1-to-1 or 1 ATR, whichever hits first. Hi Pavel. So yeah, I love gas as well. Nat gas is also one of my favorite commodities. So in commodities, I just trade gas, sometime gold. We had a nice condition on gold, so that is why I took this entry. After a very long time, I took this gold trade, this one bearish trade, and that was a nice take profit. So let's check. Nothing here. That is not a valid condition, not a valid candle, not my according to my rules. So I wouldn't have entered this trade. No. Nothing for this pair. We took this trade here in the priority trade alert as well. That was a take profit hit. Yeah, Pavel, I'm just trying to do it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I've been trying to do come live from since long, but um, it's a bit technical because I had to do this so many. I'm not a very technical person. I have to do this OBS software, and then I have to watch some YouTube videos, and finally I was able to do it because it's Ramadan and I will have more time to come live now. Hopefully tomorrow or maybe day after I can come live a little bit early than this. I know it's quite late for me. I'll still be awake till maybe next 2 to 3 hours, and I'll look for some trading opportunities. If I have, I'll take my trades. I have to keep my fast before I keep my fast, and then I sleep, and then I'll wake up maybe around 10 p.m. to look for other trades. And we do have some. Let's see. News events. What do we have? Nothing much. Euro, Japanese, USD, Japanese yen. Oh, we can see a possible opportunity here. Right. So what I do, the way I prepare myself, if I see this type of conditions, what I do, as you can see, I marked my zone already, and now I'll be waiting for one of the entry condition. Oh, what the hell? That can be 382 candle or my bullish engulfer. So I'll keep these zones on my chart. If I see a condition, I will take my trades. So found one pair for a potential entry conditions. So let's change the color to green for the possible potential, and let's look for other opportunities. I've already taken my trade here, so I'm not going to enter this at this zone again. So let's move ahead. Nothing. This is one of my favorite pair, guys. As you can see, I have lots of pullback entries on this pair. If you see, nice here. Take profit, take profit, take profit here. One of my best pair. As you can see, most of them are the winning trades here, and I've also tested this pair quite a lot. So one of my favorite pairs. So if I see a good entry, I never miss the entries. Happens here on this one, and this one is also a very fast moving pair, GBP USD. And as you can see, all the back testing, I keep on doing my back testing. Very important, guys, to gain your confidence in market. Keep on back testing, because when you see a good reason to enter, you don't get scared. You know that you have a tested result, and this is one of my tested pair for few other strategies. As you can see, we have some losers and winners as well. So I've tested this pair till when? Till 28th of Feb last month. So also one of my favorite pair to take my trades. As you can see right here, we have 188 pips take profit. Gold once more before you go. Yeah, sure. Yeah. So let's check gold, and then we can wrap up this transmission, and then we can try to do it again tomorrow. So gold is now again above the zone. Not entering any trades at this point for gold, but it is above the zone, and it is just retested with this candle. 50% retracement has been done with this candle. So aggressively it can push up and hit this zone again, or possibly 1.618 retracement. It can still go up and push up and retest 1995, from where we can enter another short. So not selling gold, just look for buying opportunities. Right guys, so it was nice chatting with you guys here on live, and I'll try to come live tomorrow again. So I might come on Instagram as well, so make sure you follow me there as well, because very very complicated here on YouTube to come live. You have to copy the streaming code and copy that on the streaming platform, and just new for me, that's why maybe it's a bit difficult, but I'll try to come live tomorrow as well, and we can do some trading together and do analysis together as well. So hope you trade green guys rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Of course, Ramzan stream will be there, so yeah, you'll see me more often here on my channel. Take care guys.